Okay, I'm sort of following Chris and Cameron around the gym while they do their workout. What is this we're doing right now, Chris?
Machine preacher curls, and we're triple drop setting them. So what that means is we're gonna start at our heaviest weight for 10 to 12 reps. And once we complete that, I'm gonna run over there and take the 10 off, and he's gonna do 10 to 12 more reps. And then once he completes that, I'm gonna take another set of weight off, he's gonna do 10 to 12 more. And that's a triple drop set. Come on. Come on. Halfway. Yeah, come on. Last one. Get a squeeze at the top.